Yes, friends, very good morning. Namaste. Pleasure to be with you again. So, welcome to Rama Sharma's International Pharmaceutical Marketing and Training YouTube channel. Very first, thank you very much, everybody, for very positive feedback. More than 700 views have been there, and from many countries, including from Africa, some Asian countries, and from India. There is a very good feedback, and they say that this will help the promoter or those who are medical representatives. So it's nice. Friends, today is the ninth episode, and as you can see in the thumbnail, our subject will be the 360-degree for promoters. So this is the 360-degree for promoters. Now, this 360-degree for promoters, what is the basic objective? One objective, friends, is to create and to inform you the areas where you should be expertise, to develop more confidence, and that confidence, gives you a kind of belief that you can. Because in marketing, ultimately, the difference between success and not success is I can. If you think you can, you will do it. Henry Ford used to say very frequently that if you can, you will do it. If you cannot, you won't do it. So in marketing, friends, the bottom line is your confidence. Can you? If you think you can, you will do it. Because once you know you can, you will develop ways and means to be a big success. So this 360-degree of promoter, now we divide this into three areas. As you have seen in thumbnail, one is the knowledge about profession, knowledge about your responsibility, or you can say about the work you have, what work you have, or what job you have. Job means the responsibility you have. So knowledge about that, this is one. And second will be your business ability. Business ability. And this will be selling tools. Because you have tools to accomplish the job, what is given to you, what is task given to you. So we will discuss today work knowledge or job knowledge about some areas. As a marketing person, as a promoter, as a medical representative, the first and very important is your knowledge about the your knowledge about your knowledge about the company. Today we will discuss two: knowledge about the company and knowledge about products. Before you have joined the company, you must have seen that whether this is the right company for you, or how is the standing of the company. You must have done this homework and then you join the company. Because you don't join any company whatever is available. As we have discussed, choose a job you love and you don't have to work a day in your life. Because if you choose a job you love, then you don't have to, then work itself become a pleasure for you. So choose a job you love, very important. Similarly, also choose a company where you feel comfortable and you feel proud. Okay, sometime you also join a company, you don't know much about it, you go through interview and you believe in your friends and some you join the company. Okay. Now, after you have joined the company, you must know, friends, about the company in details. For example, you should know the history, when company was formed, what is the top management of the company, who are the people, those who run the company. What is the geographical presence of the company? Is it pan-India or operating in some states? Is it a global company or in some states it is operating? You should know. You should know also the marketing standing of the company. What is the standing? What is the position in sales or in that in R&D? Are they spending in R&D? So that information also you should know. You should also know about the company, the geographical presence. Why these things are required? What are the other groups of the company? Now one company may be in only pharmaceutical, which you know, but maybe it operates in so many areas. You know, I have worked for a small time as launched a product for LG. You know LG, this Lucky Golden, which is the, you know, it is a TV and electronics, but no, LG is in food item, candy and tea and food items. So many things they make LG. When we knew, we were surprised. Oh, this company deals in so many products. Electronic is just one. LG Healthcare is there. LG Pharmaceutical is there. So, about the company, you should know what is the product mix, what is the vision of the company, what is the mission of the company, and what are the milestones of success. What company has achieved globally or in your area. Why you should know. Nobody will ask you, no customer will ask you when your company was founded. But friends, remember, as in the beginning we have discussed, if you are sure about the company, if you know you are working in a good company, you will be proud of your company. And once you are proud where you are working, you know that confidence will reflect in your face. And that directly transmit to the customer. So, every person in the marketing field must be proud of his company. Know about it in details. Today, all information are available in the internet, website, and social media, digital world, all. But knowing and reading is not enough. This information about the company, you should read, know, and remember, and it should be part of your every RBC and WBC. So when you talk, somebody talks to you about your company, you feel proud. Oh, I am working now. I worked in Wonder, my first company. Till today I am proud. Oh, I worked in a company, now part of Novartis, a Swiss company. A truly a global company which trained and which helped me to know the basics of the pharmaceutical marketing. So, friend, this is one about the work knowledge or job knowledge about the company. Now, second, today we'll discuss about the product. Product is the pivotal, the center of all the activity. Anybody, production, marketing, purchase, finance, everything moves around the product. So, you as a promoter, you must know about a product at least 100 times more than your customer. Your customers are highly qualified doctors. But believe me, doctors' pharmacy knowledge or pharmacological knowledge is not as good as you. They are expert in diagnosis, in the disease management, in operative procedures or other things. But about pharmaceutical, they will know from you. They will never agree. No doctor today say, oh, I learn or I know something from the medical rep. No, because it is their ego, how he will agree. But the survey has told that the source of information for new drug, new information is medical rep. So, about product, you must know two things. In, out. How you start, how you in, and then till how you do the closing and you come out. In and out. And also out and in. So somewhere you are trapped or something, you entered the wrong area, how, tacitly, nicely you come out. So in and out in product, you should know about it. Because our customers are highly qualified, knowledgeable. So unless until you know, more than them, then only they will appreciate that. Now, knowledge is endless. There is no boundaries for knowledge. Like excellence. Excellence has no finishing line. Today you achieve and that's all. No, it always grows. So let us quantify the knowledge. So friends, as far as knowledge is considered, you must, there is the first gap, first is that must part, M-U-S-T, must. You must know this, without this don't go and take bag and even promote your product. So what is must? Must would be mode of action, what are the benefits, USP or product benefits, what is the dose, and what are the indications where drug can be used. At least these 3-4 things you must know. Without this, please don't go. And no company, no marketing person should, tell promoter go. Take bag, take sample or something and go. No, you will kill or you will damage the image of the company. So one thing, you must know this. Mode of action, what are the uses, indications of the drug, what are the dose of the drug, and what is the mode of action. These 3-4 things you should know, must, first level. Now the second level will be should, S-H-O-U-D, should. Should means like your side effects, adverse reactions, what are the possible precautions with the product, you should know. Now suddenly doctor can tell you, oh, I gave you a drug and I saw the color of the blood was coming, the urine was red. What is this drug? Now if you know, you can say, well doctor, that is not hematuria. It is not blood, it is the excretion, due to excretion of drug in the urine. The color has changed reddish, for example with rifampicin. So you should know. Now doctor can say when a patient should take drug, before food or after food, what is the precaution? Now you say, well doctor, this drug particularly if you take with fatty meals, with the high in fats, the absorption is better. So that precaution you should know. While taking doxycycline, how many doctors or people know that when you take doxycycline capsule, take in upright position, standing, and with 100 ml water. Why? Because capsule should not get stuck in the esophagus. Because if it is doxycycline hydrochloride, it can turn into acidic and there can be esophagitis or esophageal ulcer or very serious complication. So when you take doxycycline, doctor ask your patient to take in the upright position and like that. So you should know the precautions, side effects of any drug. You should. Now you may not know initially, but build it. And the third level, gentlemen, is helpful. Is helpful. H-E-L-P. Helpful. What is helpful? Once you know how your therapy is better than others, it will help you in your promotion. For example, doctors say, oh, I use Adalat, I use Nifedipine, why I should your, the amlodipine? Now you say, yes doctor. But with Nifedipine, doctor, because it is a potent vasodilator, there is a risk of reflex tachycardia, which is not with amlodipine, because it is a slow acting or not as powerful vasodilator. So this will be helpful. Now it may not come immediately, but build it again slowly and slowly. And friend, the last level of knowledge which you should know is nice to know. N-I-C-E, nice to know. Nice to know is something where you talk in doctor's language, you use his language, and doctor can see in you that you are a helper to him, you are helping him. And that language, terminology you use is quite helpful. Now you are promoting, for example, a bronchodilator, and you say, doctor, well, when you give this bronchodilator, even you can see pulmonary function test. There is a substantial improvement in FeV1 to VC ratio. You can see it yourself that bronchodilation is better. Now doctor say, what is FeV1? Or you say, yes doctor, it is 4 expiratory volume, the amount of air expelled out in the first second. And that you can see a change in that. So, doctor, the pulmonary function test is the testimony that I have a better bronchodilator with this drug. Vital capacity will be better. So, this is what is nice to know. You know, you reach a level where you talk in doctor's language and you do comparative studies, comparative trials, and you present him so nicely that doctor says, okay, I will use your product. So friends, today in this video we are discussing two things, that is the knowledge about your company and knowledge about product. So build it. About product knowledge is something, you know, even assuming, so many people say, sir, doctors don't listen, and why we should learn. Today they want gift, they want these many things. More is marketing than, more is commercial than scientific. Agreed. Today whole world is becoming more and more commercial, but friends, there is no substitute to not knowing the product. Because if you know your product, your face will shine, your confidence will be more. So you don't want that. When you enter doctor's chamber, you feel very confident. Oh, I work in a good multinational, I work in India's top company, and my product is the best. You don't want this. I remember around 35-40 years before, there was a company in India, Organon. So a doctor was, egoistic. He told medical rep, oh no, I don't have time. And the medical rep told him, doctor, please spare your time. You will know about hormones. I have come from the global leader in hormones. I see his confidence. He is telling doctor, please wait. I have something great information for you. And doctor listened. So this is, gentlemen, I wish you a very big success, and I am sure that you will focus on knowing more and more about your company and about your products. Thank you very much.